Hi guys. So today we're going to be learning multiplication. So, but as from last video, you should have gotten how to do addition, and addition is kind of like multiplication. It's basically repeated addition. Do you know what repeated is? It means it means like doing multiple times in a row. So, what is 1 plus 1 plus 1? If you watched our previous video, you would have known that you should know that it's 3. But if you didn't watch it, our previous video, watch it before you watch any further in this video. So, well, it's 3. Well, come look. If you take this, the addition sign, and you rotate it uh, like this way, or this way, you will get the multiplication sign. So this sign is really useful, very useful actually. Let's say here we have a 1. Let's say we have our 1 from before. And then, come look, we take our 3. 1 1 times 3. So we take our 3 and then we put our equal sign. So then that's 3. That's already pretty like logical because come look, it's repeated addition. Remember that. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. So this one is how many what are we adding? And this one is how many times we're adding. The 3 is how many times we're adding. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. And remember this, someone might try to trick you and say, what is 0? 0 is nothing. 0 times, let's say something like 2. So they might ask, what is 0 times 2? But remember, nothing times something equals nothing. Come look, because if you do 0 plus 0, you will still get 0 because 0 is nothing and nothing plus nothing equals nothing. So then your answer here would be 0. Even if you say something like uh, 0 times 1, let's say this number, 1,355 equals 0 times 1,355. That would equal, can you guess? Pause this video and think of a number. Think of the answer. So I'm thinking you have a paused. So yes, it would be 0. Because nothing times something equals nothing. But then, come look. If you do it on an actual number, 2 times 5. So what would that equal? So then you have R2. And then you have to get 5 twos. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. There you go. Plus our final 2 would equal, can you guess? So pause this video and try and find out the answer. So it would be 10. If you got 10, you're correct. But if you got another number other than 10, you're wrong. But that's okay because all people make mistakes. No, no one is perfect. But then an easier way you can do it is, like you see, multiplication can be in two ways. This way you can do two fives, or an easier way is five twos, but that's a little bit more complex. But I'll still show you how to do it. 5 plus 5. Can you guess? Pause the video so you can try and find out. If you picked 8, you are absolutely incorrect, but that's okay. So because the correct answer is 10. Because remember, uh, it's still the same question, just in a different format. Format is like a different way to write it, basically. So, well, but but a reason why people don't just use repeated addition is because of this. We are trying to find the area of a rectangle. The area is like this thing, the inside, like this, like this thing, this part, the inside of it. Oh my god. Let me draw inside the lines. Yeah, there you go, good enough. So, the this side is called the width. So the width is always the shorter part. The width would be, let's say, a number like 5. You know what? No, 3. And then the length would be, let's say, 7. So then you can do this. Come look. So 7 times 3 equals, can you guess? 7 times 3 equals, if you said 21, you are right. If you didn't say 21 and you said another number, that's also okay. Everyone makes mistakes. No one's perfect. Even I make mistakes sometimes. Even in the simplest things. Like 1 plus 1. Uh, when I was younger, I used to make a lot of mistakes like that. So, well, you can do 3 times 7. So, 3, 3, 3 sevens. Wait, no, seven threes. But I'm not gonna write that since it's a little tedious. Tedious is like really hard. But I can write 7, so I can write 3 sevens. So that's 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. So that would be 21. So I hope you learned something in this video. Well, thank you for watching. If you like, please like and subscribe. But goodbye.